Hello and welcome. I am your Russian language coach Vita, and today let's practice writing the Russian cursive letter L. The name of the letter is L, but I will use the name of the sound L. So this is the uppercase letter L. This is the lowercase letter L. This is our transcription. Please watch carefully and let's write. This is the uppercase cursive letter L. Looks a bit similar to letter A. And this is lowercase cursive letter L. Let's write both of them together. Now please take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter L by yourself. You can also write the comments and share your thoughts or questions below. You can also share this video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!